Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change cover photo or banner on YouTube mobile in just a few simple steps. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile. Next, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap on View Channel. After entering your channel, tap on the pencil icon. To change the cover photo or banner, tap on the camera icon in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear showing you two options. First is Take Photo. You can take a picture using your camera and use it. Second is Choose from your photos. If you already have a photo in your gallery, select it. I have a photo in my gallery, so I select the second option. From here, I select that image. Now, we will adjust the image. After adjusting, tap Save in the top right corner. Wait a little, your cover photo or banner will be updated. And that's it. How to change cover photo or banner on YouTube mobile. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.